Welcome back, my friends, to another non-phone job lead. I know this is what everyone is looking for, but before we get into it, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching all over the internet to bring you the best work-from-home job leads possible. So if you are not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss another job lead as soon as it is posted. Some jobs go very quickly, and if you find any of my videos helpful, if you would please give this video a thumbs up like button so that is direct feedback to me that you are enjoying the job leads that I am providing. Now, without further ado, the company Floor Decor is hiring a customer care advocate remote to work from home to work the live chat leads. And so they're looking for a customer-oriented service advocate to join their live chat team. As a live chat associate, you'll act as a liaison, provide product and service information, and resolve any emerging problems that their customers will face with accuracy, speed, and efficiency. They say the best associates are excited to help the customers. So there are a few minimum requirements for this. It is have a high school diploma or equivalent is required, but no college degree is acquired. To have some open availability and be experienced in multitasking. They would like someone who has prior customer care, live chat, sales, or technical experience. They want someone who has excellent communication skills and who can actively listen to the customer's concerns. So the primary job functions are to contribute to the overall positive customer experience. You'll greet customers in a courteous, friendly, and professional manner. You'll respond quickly to their inquiries via live chat, and you'll follow the communication procedures, guidelines, and policies. They say the successful candidate for this job will be team-oriented, have problem-solving skills, be organized and detailed, and have great written, verbal, and communication skills. It does say limited travel required, including air and car travel. I am not sure why travel would be required for a chat associate. That may just be one of their general disclaimers they put in there. They do offer benefit packages, including bonus opportunities at the entry level. They have career advancements opportunities, and they have the basic 401k and health insurance plans that include medical, dental, vision, and life. So the pay is not listed for this position, and this is only open to my U.S. candidates. There are no state restrictions listed in the job listing. However, just a disclaimer, I do not work for these companies. I do not have any inside information. I only share what I find on the internet. If you need any additional information, you would have to ask them at the time of the interview. All right, I wanted to keep this one short, sweet, and to the point, but I definitely wanted to share because this is a non-phone job, and that's what everyone is after. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. My viewers are awesome. I also love chatting with you guys in the comments, so if you have anything you're looking for, you can leave that down below, and I will be back very soon with another work-from-home job lead for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.